Construction at Camp Nou is entering a highly active phase, with visible progress accelerating across multiple sections of the stadium. Several previously slowed or paused areas have now resumed full activity, while new work fronts are opening simultaneously. From facade installation to upper structural expansion and interior development, the project is now advancing on multiple levels at once. The coordination between teams, machinery, and materials is clearly improving, resulting in faster and more consistent progress throughout the site. In the corner section, one of the most important updates is the full completion of the lower level of lamellas. This area, which had experienced delays in previous weeks, has now caught up significantly. All panels in the lower tier have been installed and aligned, creating a continuous facade layer across this section. Materials remain positioned nearby, and cranes are still active, indicating that work is not slowing down. With no expected interruptions in the coming days, this section is now fully prepared to move upward without delay. Installation has now shifted to the middle level of the facade system. Cranes are lifting new lamella panels into position, while workers on elevated platforms guide and secure each piece with precision. This transition marks a key step in the vertical development of the stadium's exterior. The workflow is now clearly structured: lifting, positioning, alignment, and fixing, repeated continuously to maintain efficiency. Given the current pace and readiness of materials, steady and visible progress is expected throughout this level. The second cantilever level is currently one of the busiest zones in the stadium. Multiple elevated platforms are operating simultaneously, with workers focusing on structural adjustments, support installations, and alignment tasks. Scaffolding coverage is increasing, which indicates preparation for upcoming installations. This level connects critical structural and seating elements, making it a priority area during this phase of construction. With uninterrupted working days, this section is likely to see noticeable advancement in a short period. At the third tier, work continues on the prefabricated seating structures. These large components are being carefully aligned and secured to ensure structural accuracy. Workers are using platforms and support systems to access different sections, maintaining consistent progress across the upper seating areas. While this stage may appear slower compared to facade work, it is highly technical and essential for the stadium's final configuration. A major structural update comes from the movement and positioning of a radial beam into the corner section. These beams are critical elements that connect different parts of the upper structure. Despite their appearance from a distance, these components are extremely large and require precise handling. The beam is now positioned on-site, awaiting integration into the upper framework. This indicates continued expansion of the stadium's structural skeleton. The compression ring continues to take shape as new pillars and radial beams are installed. This structure is one of the most important elements of the stadium, supporting the future roof system. Workers are actively assembling connections at height using elevated platforms. Additional components are being lifted and aligned, gradually forming a continuous ring around the stadium. The visual growth of this structure is becoming more noticeable with each passing day. In the north corner, preparation work for lamella installation is intensifying. Crews are installing guides, anchors, and support systems that will hold the facade panels. This phase is critical, as it ensures that all future installations are precise and stable. Multiple platforms are active in this area, and alignment work is ongoing across different areas. The presence of these systems strongly indicates that lamella installation in this section is approaching soon. Across several zones, workers are installing connection pieces on structural beams. These elements act as the base for vertical supports, which will later hold the lamella panels. The process involves precise positioning and secure fixing to ensure load stability. As more of these supports are installed, larger sections of the stadium become ready for facade work. This step is essential for maintaining uniformity across the entire exterior system. Inside the stadium, work continues on structural zones such as elevator shafts. Steel frameworks are being expanded, with additional beams and structural components still being installed. These interior sections require detailed work and coordination, as they will support future operational systems. While less visible from the outside, progress here remains steady and important. In the Tribuna section, crews are applying anti-corrosion coatings to structural elements. This includes bolts, joints, and exposed steel components. Both spray systems and manual application methods are being used to ensure full coverage. This treatment is crucial for long-term durability and protection against environmental conditions. Work is being carried out across multiple areas simultaneously, indicating systematic progress. Material management is actively ongoing throughout the site. Excavators and transport vehicles are removing debris, concrete fragments, and unused materials. This cleanup operation helps maintain an organized workspace and ensures that construction can continue without obstruction. Efficient logistics are playing a key role in supporting the current pace of work. At the diamond-shaped exterior structure, new entrance frames have been installed. These frames will support glass panels, marking progress toward completing this architectural feature. Interior activity is also visible, suggesting ongoing work inside the structure. This area is gradually transitioning from structural assembly to finishing stages. The southern sections of the stadium show some of the most advanced lamella installation. Large portions of the facade are already completed, especially in the lower and middle levels. Only the upper areas remain unfinished, but the overall progress here provides a clear preview of the stadium's final exterior appearance. One of the most significant developments is the high level of synchronization across the entire construction site, where multiple teams are now working in parallel on structural expansion, facade installation, interior development, and finishing processes, creating a well-coordinated workflow that is significantly improving overall efficiency and allowing the project to progress faster and more smoothly than before. Camp Nou is now moving into a phase where structural, architectural, and finishing elements are progressing together. The shift from foundational work to visible transformation is becoming more evident. With lamella installations expanding, structural systems rising, and interior work continuing, the stadium is steadily evolving toward its final form. The coming weeks are expected to bring even more visible changes as momentum continues to build across the entire project. If you want to stay updated with every major development at Camp Nou, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. And if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video. It really helps support the channel and keeps these detailed construction updates coming.